Welcome back to the channel, fat boys. It is a dark and gloomy night right now, slightly raining, but Mark and I, yay Mark, we are heading down to Marina 84 for both happy times and sad times, as today is going to officially be my last South Florida bike night. Aww. And it's Mark! Yay! But it's going to be the last bike night down here in South Florida because Miss Bob and I, we are moving. Aww. I'm just gonna go take some pictures, enjoy the bike night, enjoy my last bike night down in South Florida, and see what is happening down. Marina Mile, Marina 84. It's been a while since I've been to this bike night, but you know, it's gonna be fun. It's always freaking crazy down here at Marina 84 on their bike nights, but it is always so much fun. So many different bikes, so many loud bikes. God damn if that ain't the truth. A lot of crazy people, but a lot of fun. Bad road, sharp turn. Wow, not a lot of people here. I guess the little bit of Wayne scared away a lot of little people. Wow, and this is freaking dead as hell, man. Well, we made it, guys. We are now up here enjoying times with some friends. He's not very happy today. Mark is grumpy. I love that. And we are out. Peace out, Marina 84. Had such a good time. Such a sad time at the same time, leaving all the friends. But definitely enjoyed the last time. Hanging out with everyone, seeing all the good friends. Thank you all for coming to say goodbye. I love you all. I will see y'all when I decide to come and visit. I will make sure to be coming back down to South Florida, see any of y'all. But I got new adventures up north. Stay tuned to see where we're going to be moving, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.